Welcome to Howdy Reviews. We are doing a quick review of the Ryobi One Plus 9-foot extendable pole lopper. The package includes the extendable pole, the flexible lopper head, a shield for the lopper blades, a 2 amp hour battery, the charger, and a shoulder strap. The lopper head flexes to 5 positions to help you get the bypass blades in the correct place for a clean cut. The motor is in the lopper head, so you just insert the head to the extendable pole and screw it into place. It takes just under 2 seconds to complete a cut. We're pruning some dangling branches out of pin oaks. The pole extends or retracts by opening the clamp and sliding the shaft in or out. Then snap the clamp shut. You can stop at any length. Minimum length is 76 inches. Maximum length is 107 inches. The model P2560 fixed length lopper was 36 inches long, so I still have a use for that one. Sometimes it is a challenge to see the branch you want to cut. The further away, the harder it gets to see. Now I'm working on dead branches in a mulberry tree. Some of these branches are too thick to get the lopper blades around, but anything that fits can be cut. The motor in the head can begin to feel a bit heavy at full extension when you have been pruning for a while. I think the extendable pole lopper is a great addition to my tree maintenance tool collection. Thanks for watching. If you find this helpful, please give us a thumbs up. It really helps us a lot to help others. Subscribe if you want to see what else we may get up to.